Welcome to the presentation of the functionalities for the application for tourism development in Macedonia. In the following minutes, you will see how to easily and quickly locate and plan the visit to natural heritage sites in Macedonia. Application enables different ways for search, locate and browse through the point of interest. In this example, we will use the trip route among which natural heritage sites nearby will be located. For that purpose, you use the Plane Journey tool. Firstly, you need to enter at least start and end point of the trip route. Further, you need to set the distance from the route within which the object of interest will be searched. Then from the list Choose Point of Interest, you choose at least one from categories for which the search will be made. In order to process the search, you need to click the button Run. When the search is done, all the objects that fulfill the chosen criteria are shown on the map. Clicking on the object on the map, you explore the details and get further information on each of the natural heritage sites. Further, natural heritage sites can be browsed through the View in Attribute table options. Within the chosen options, you can see the table with the details for all the sites in the search area. Double-clicking any of the found sites, the map focuses on its surrounding. We hope that our guidelines will be useful and that the application will help in planning your trip. Enjoy your stay.